Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Anamik and I'm going to be answering one of the main common questions that you guys asked me in my comment section. So it's about fees and documents submission. So I'm going to be telling everything in detail. So much people are asking me about the fees of each department, and when you enter the college website, you will be shown to the place where they will tell you fees of each courses, and it's every course is 1 lakh plus. So for 1 year, it's going to be 1 lakh plus for every course. So I'll be showing you how do you see the fees. So when you open the Kristu Jayanti's official website, you will be shown to a place where you can see all the courses and all, and then there you will see the fees of each year, and it's going to be almost 1 lakh plus for every courses. It's going to be same for PG also. PG also you'll find it in the college website itself. So I'm not sure about every every fees in. It's not going to be same as mine. Mine is like 1 lakh 20 something. It won't be same for every other course, because for BCom I think it's 1 lakh 40 something. So it's not going to be same for every course in this college. It varies, and I'm not sure. I don't by heart all those. Yeah, online application form. So when you apply for this college, now they have started a online application form. So in that they have added application fee. I didn't have any application fee. Did you have any application fee? No. So I think they added this year about this application fee, and it's UG people have 1K, PG people have 1.2K, and MBA, MCA people have 1.5K. PG and low people have 1.2K. So this is the application fee. So if you want to apply to this university, it will be there the official Kristu Jayanti website, and if you click apply now, there will be application form, and you have to pay this much amount for each course. And then for PhD it's 2K. Okay, I forgot to say about PhD. Then document submission. For me it was after coming to college, but I think so much people are asking me about is it online and you have to book slots and all. I'm not so sure about that. For me it was offline. After coming to college, after 1 week we had document submission. So we had to bring all our original copies and 3 copies original certificates and everything, 10th, 11th, 12th, and migration, TC, everything. And I had to also birth certificate. I'm not sure about that. It will be given to you in your mail, but then I had to take copies of my Aadhaar card, then birth certificate, all those things, caste certificates also. It will be given to you in your mail, and then after submitting you have to take 3 copies of each, and you have to take your passport size photo also. So make sure you take your passport size photo, and make sure you bring all your real certificates, so you can take copies from here, and then they'll tell you about the document submission when you come here. So guys, this is all I know about fees and document submission, and I think it is new to people who are coming to this college. Like they asked me about online slots and all. I'm not sure about that. And if you have any more doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be replying to you guys, or you can ask me in my Instagram. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.